Hey everyone, it's Privateer Picker again, and I got a new package today. So we're gonna get this thing out of the way. And this is what we got. Yeah, the box is empty. We got a cisa. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, that's okay. All the mounting hardware. That's cool. This is like the plate that you would mount on the door. Alright, so come on. Come on, come on. Oh, this is brand new. Let's get rid of that crap. There are keys. Cool, cool, cool. Wow. Decent bidding. 1, 2, and 3 turns of the key means the thing is fully unlocked, or locked rather. So now we're unlocked. So let's go ahead and lock it all the way. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That's a 7-pinner. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this. Top of the keyway. Nope. We're gonna need a. We're gonna go top of the keyway, but we need a smaller one. Yeah, that'll work. No, it won't work. We're gonna need bottom of the keyway. Okay. Okay. We'll hold this way, and let's get a 18 thousandths pick. All right, so click out of 2 already. Click out of 3. Nope. 1 might be binding. Yeah, 1. Come on. Come on. Got a binder. Counter rotation. There's a spool. Come on. There we go. And we got this open 1 turn. All right, that was pretty quick. So we'll do this video a few more times and we'll have a true open.